Everybody, Lane here for Maker's Lane. Everyone, Lane here for Maker's Lane. Hey everyone, Lane here for Maker's Lane. Hey everybody, Lane for Maker's Lane here. Hey guys, Lane here for Maker's Lane. Hey guys, Lane here for Maker's Lane. Today I just wanted to take a minute and talk a little bit about myself and what I'm all about. So first things first, let's head on over to my shop. All right, so here's my shop. That's where all the magic happens. A little bit about me. I live here in Marysville, Ohio on a 5-acre farm. I have a wife and 2 kids, Sophia and Stella. We also live here with our 2 Greater Swiss Mountain Dogs, Odysseus and Calypso. A little bit about me specifically. I work in the testing environment as a test engineer. I do quality work, durability testing, development, anything in that nature. When I'm not at work, I'm either with my family or I'm out here in my shop trying to build something. Here's a quick look at some of the things I've made. So as you can see, I really enjoy making stuff. Love working with my hands, what I'm really passionate about. All the things you saw just kind of scratch the surface of what I've actually built over the years. But in addition to building things and making things, some of the other things I'm interested in are being outside, working out, running, riding my bike, and a huge one would probably be traveling. I really enjoy traveling with my family. We've been all over the world. We've been to New Zealand, Australia, Ireland, Scotland, South Africa. So we've been all over the place. Hopefully I can incorporate traveling in some of my videos in the future. Another thing I really want to talk about is how much I appreciate you guys. You make this channel what it is. If it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be able to continue making this stuff and doing these projects and doing these videos. So I do really want to say I appreciate it. And in saying that, part of what I love about the community is the feedback and suggestions I get from you guys. So if you guys can continue keeping those coming, it fuels me, it motivates me. That's gonna be able to make this channel even better in the future. In summation, thank you guys. I appreciate the support. Until next time, I'm Lane from Maker's Lane. You guys have a good one.